vibrant mosaic of human archetypes, the connector, enthusiast, and harmoniser emerge as embodiments of love. Love is often seen as an intimate bond between two people, but in the realm of archetypes it is far more expansive. The ancient Greeks captured its many forms: eros, the passionate spark of romance; philia, the deep trust of friendship; storge, the nurturing care of family; agape, the selfless embrace of humanity; and philautia, the vital love of self. Each type weaves a tapestry of connection that shapes our lives, reminding us that love is not just a feeling, but a force that drives the essence of who we are. It embodies a profound reverence for one's pursuits and a fervent passion that infuses every endeavour with purpose and joy. Love is the thankfulness for life's simple things, the quiet moments of connection, and the shared experiences that bring us closer together. At the core of their being pulses the desire to connect, an innate yearning that guides their every interaction towards creating bonds that resonate with appreciation and valued connections. Diving into the realm where connectors shine, we encounter those like culture leaders, baristas, and recruiters. They're not just fulfilling roles, they're creating sanctuaries of belonging. Each cup of coffee served, every introduction made, and every connection formed between people is a shared moment that celebrates the beauty of coming together, reflecting their profound love for uniting diverse souls. As we wade into the lively currents where enthusiasts thrive, their passion is unmistakable. Tour guides, event coordinators, and waiters, they infuse their work with an infectious enthusiasm that transforms the mundane into the extraordinary. Their spirit elevates every interaction, turning it into a canvas where every stroke is painted with the colours of excitement and engagement. In moments that mark our lives' milestones, the harmonisers take centre stage, orchestrating with devotion and loyalty. Whether it's the tender planning of a funeral, the joyful orchestrations of a wedding, or the daily harmony of office life, they ensure that love and connection are woven into every detail, creating experiences that resonate with the depth of human emotion. However, the path of embodying love is not without its challenges. In their under-evolved state, the purity of their intentions might not always be met with the respect it deserves, leading to moments where their passion is mistaken for intrusion, their open hearts left vulnerable to misunderstanding. This delicate balance can sometimes lead them to shy away from setting necessary boundaries, leaving their energies scattered and their essence diluted. When over-utilised, their innate desire to connect and spread joy can become overwhelming, tipping into a realm where their presence feels overbearing and smothering. In their excessive gentleness, they might create a false bubble of security, avoiding any form of discomfort. This lack of awareness that true harmony requires a balance between joy and strain can result in environments that, while seemingly harmonious, lack authenticity. Eventually, this false bubble bursts, leaving behind feelings of falseness and superficiality. Yet when they truly flourish, the connectors, enthusiasts, and harmonisers embody love in its purest, most expansive form. They become the lighthouses that guide us back to one another, their light a constant reminder of the joy found in heartfelt connections. Their ability to transform every moment into an opportunity for gratitude and celebration inspires a ripple effect, creating a culture where love is the undercurrent of every interaction. Their impact on the tapestry of life paints a picture where each thread is interlaced with gratitude, where cheerfulness echoes in the corridors of our daily lives, and where every shared moment becomes a testament to the enduring power of love. As we navigate the complexities of our shared existence, the stories of connectors, enthusiasts, and harmonisers offer a compass pointing towards a world enriched by love. Their journey teaches us that, when we cultivate self-love, it radiates outward. And it is the notes of connection, appreciation, and being valued that compose the most beautiful melodies.